Well, let's see how well this goes, man. Trying to fold this damn this super Ford up. Let's see how well this goes. Might go good, it might not. I don't know. I might fuck around and snap a goddamn fork or some shit. Go as planned, man. It's too hard to fold up in the front because of the fucking the double suspension is in the front of on these damn super cabs. I'm on these damn Super Duty 350s. Well, actually, I think this is a King Ranch. Matter of fact, I think that's what this is. It's a King Ranch. It is really hard sometimes, man, to fold these damn things up. It really is sometimes. Sometimes I have to be aggressive with it in order to get it up off in there. Folding up these goddamn cabs. There we go. Finally. Well, I go to gas tank. I just put back up. I just go to gas tank. I put up in the first place. Now I come right back out again. Sometimes it ain't easy folding up these trucks. It's just not easy folding these damn things up, man. Sometimes that shit can be really hard. I mean, I done seen a fork break behind this right here before. And it's not a pretty sight for the boss, man, when these damn forks are about like anywhere from like $5,000 to $10,000 a set. Whew, man, sometimes it's just not easy, man. Just not easy. Just then, I had to fold it up the one way, but I had to push another way, and damn near could have flipped my damn load over if I kept on going. That's one thing I do not like. That's one thing I do not need. Right there is folding up. Is that right there? Yeah, see that shit right there? That's what I don't like folding up sometimes, right there. You know what I'm saying? This is what I hate right here. And then this half of the time will be the aftermath of it. Everything else as it comes out, as you crush it. Look, Coletto. Yeah, my worker, as compadre right here, he's a good guy. He's a really good guy. He's one of the hard workers here, man. He's a really good guy. He's doing his job very good, very well. But this be, like I say, this be the aftermath of me folding this up. Even though I can't fold it up because of the hardcore front end suspension double jointed in the front. That's what I'll call it. But that's the aftermath of it. There's my baby, my beauty right there. I still got a lot more cars to go, man. These are just the 4 bundles I done made for the 3rd load here. There's another one back here in the back. Another one back there. This is partial of a truck turned backwards, which I had to crush that away. Then I have all this stuff here I gotta deal with. Drop-offs here. All this other stuff here I gotta deal with. It's a pain in the ass, but it is what it is, man. It is what it is.